here Karcher K3. So we have his part like this, some holders, and you can use them for hair. One, and this one you can use here. So just push in. We have the holders. We can use this the water filter. So water filter you can use like this, and input this. For the hose, connection for the hose. Okay, there's some seal. You can also choose for this hose outside. This for detergent, for cleaning detergent. Okay, now we can use these wheels. Just push in. It's really easy. Like this. And second one. Okay, so for this you need also the screw. As you can see here, so you need screwdriver, because you have one inside. You need to do it like this. So I am going for screwdriver and screws, and we can mount like this. Like this. Screwdriver. Okay, so now we have here the pressure hose. You have here the connector one and second. The connection is the same, so it means you can use it. You need to input it here. Don't worry to push in at the end and then click down. Now it's keeping very nice. To the gun, you need to open this yellow part and then this push in like this, and then just push in. Gun is ready to